Forex Nation, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. We're taking a look at Euro Pound on the 3-hour time frame, and I just want to share with you guys the importance of having patience. You can see that we're coming off a peak formation low, so we're looking for buys only. Okay, if we take a look at the 15-minute time frame, the setup that we're looking for here is a buy setup, and then obviously here's what we're looking for. So that's the setup right there. It's a type 1 setup. Most importantly, here are the things that you need to be patient about, is the fact that whenever you're looking at this, okay, the first leg here was created all the way at 3:45 in the morning. You didn't get a second leg until 6:30. So close to two to 3 hours later is when you had to wait for a second leg. Most importantly is, if you look, what did we get here for the second leg? Second leg gave us a star pattern. Okay, most importantly, the second bar here, the blue bar here for the star pattern, closed above the previous one. All right, the next candle gave you a pullback. That pullback is what you can use for the entry. Now when it comes to the stop loss, right, this stop loss here is only about 9 pips big. Here's a thing that you have to take into consideration when choosing where you're going to put the stop loss. The stop loss should always go to the nearest low. In this case, you know, the nearest low is right here below the star pattern. Now, do you see these two lines here? These two lines is the spread of this particular pair. So you need to make sure that you at least have extra room to consider it for this spread, because the spread, if they were to come back down like they did here, if you have it too close to the bottom, the spread automatically takes you out of the trade, and then you lose out because the trade ends up going in your direction anyways. So very important to always take into account every time that you put the setup is your stop loss needs to account also for the spread of whatever pair you're trading. So an easy way to figure this out, how many pips should I account for? If you take your ruler in TradingView, and at the time of, you know, when this is actually happening, basically count out what's the spread on here. The spread right now is about 1.5 pips or so, give or take. Okay, at this particular moment in time at 6:30 or whatever, it could have been something different. Okay, but my point is, take the ruler out, measure out what the spread is, and put that into your stop loss. So if you initially put your stop loss right here, okay, account an extra 2 pips or whatever and put it down here. So that way when price does come back down here, it doesn't take you out automatically because you've accounted for the spread. All right, obviously you can see here we can get a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio just fine on this particular trade. It meets all of the requirements that you want for a setup. You have the pattern inside of the box. You have a second leg pattern, which is a star pattern. You have a pullback. You have a good risk to reward ratio. You're going with your directional buy. So everything is there for you to take the trade setup. Hopefully this video helped guys, brought you some value. Let me know in the comments below, guys. Do you ever take into account where the spread is on the particular trade setup? As always, guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Guys, if you need any more help or you like the content that we provide on this channel, come on over to the FXN Masterclass. It's available right now. What you get essentially is a lifetime membership, a full mentoring course, an advanced course. You get the Blue Summit videos, weekly Q&A sessions every Sunday, group session archives, which that by alone has about 100 hours of content, weekly analysis videos, midweek analysis videos, MT4 and MT5 indicators, a customized trading journal so you could actually journal your trades every day, and then a backtesting journal that you can use to backtest and collect all of your data. Not to mention a mentoring private chat, guys. So all the information is in the link in the description if you want to join now. We look forward to seeing you there, guys.